This is Shalja in front of you. As you know that now today we are going to start our online classes. And in this, we are going to start our new topic, that is reported speech. And its another name is narration. And one more name it is having, that is assertion. These three names we are having for one topic, that is narration. Means its Hindi meaning is that कथन और यू कैन से स्टेटमेंट. अब हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ और अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने रिश्तेदारों से, सभी से हम दिन में बहुत बातचीत करते हैं, लेकिन हम उसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, इस बात को कहने के हमारे दो तरीके होते हैं. और इस तरीके के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच और एक होता है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डायरेक्ट स्पीच? Do you know what is direct speech? Means actual words of speaker. अब मम्मा ने आपको कोई बात कही और वो क्या है, मम्मा ने आपको जो बातें बोली वो क्या है, actual words. Means your mother is saying whatever to you, that is actual words of your mother, and it is known as direct speech. But when you are going to your brother or sister and you are conveying your mother's message and you are making some change, means आप उस बात को कुछ बदल कर जब अपने ब्रदर्स के सिस्टर्स के सामने रख रहे हो तो वो क्या होगा, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. मीन्स चेंजिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ स्पीकर. ये तो हो गई हमारी जनरल बात. बट when we are talking about grammar section or in English, there are few changes which we have to make, and first of all, reporting those changes, I would like to tell you what is direct speech. First of all, we are taking with it an example, that is, he said to me, comma, inverted comma starts, my sister is reading a novel. This complete sentence is known as direct speech. Means this is said by he. Someone said that my sister is reading a novel. This complete sentence is direct speech. And this direct speech is having two parts. One is before comma part, you can see, and another part is within inverted commas. Means two parts are here. And this part is known as before comma part, you can say reported verb. And the part which comes in inverted comma, that is known as reported speech. Means reporting verb and reporting speech, these two content, when they are together, it makes direct speech. Is it clear? Reporting verb and reporting speech are mandatory for direct speech. Now this reporting verb, it is having said to. This is reporting verb, and the changing words of speaker is known as indirect speech. I told you ना कि changing word of speaker जो होते हैं वो हमारे indirect speech होते हैं, but हम इसमें change क्या करेंगे? We have to make change of said to. Reporting verb will change into told, and to remove comma we will use that, and after adding that we have to make some changes of pronouns or tenses accordingly. Then it will be our indirect speech. And how you will know that we are going to mention the particular sentence in indirect speech? For this there are few rules, that how to change direct speech into indirect speech. First one is that change reporting verb according to sense. Means it may be in present tense or it may be in past tense. So you have to change it accordingly. Means said to will convert into told, but says to convert into tells. Its tense will never change. Reporting verb's tense will never change. So here said to is changed into told. Then another step we have to do is that remove comma. And for removing comma we have to add conjunction that. This one is conjunction which we have to add. to remove comma. After adding that, we have to make some changes of pronouns. These pronouns will change according to subject, object or sun formula. We can say sun formula 1, 2, 3. According to this formula, we have to make some changes which will create our indirect speech. Then we have to make some changes of tenses accordingly, and after that our indirect speech will be completed. And tense of reported speech is never changed. But how you will change this pronoun? What is this? Reported speech first person pronoun. There are three categories of pronouns. One is first person pronoun, you know, and second person, first person, second person and third person, you know. And in first person we are having pronouns I, my, me, we, our, us. In second person, you, your, yours. You, your, yours. In third person, he, she, it, they, their, them. These are third person pronouns. And by using this formula means that reporting speech subject, reported speech subject is changed according to reporting verb. Reported speech first person pronoun will change according to reporting verb subject. And reported speech object is changed, or we can say reported speech second person pronoun will change according to object of reporting verb. And third person pronoun of reported speech will never change. It will remain same. But we have mentioned here changes of pronoun. But now we have to change some tenses. But how we will do it? That is MR will convert into was verb. Is MR will convert into was verb. As has, have, it will change into had. Or you can say did, past tense, change into past perfect tense. That is also had. So we have to do these changes of tenses. And I think it is clear to all of you that up to this, what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Is it clear? Yes. Now we have to do, what we have to do is that we will take some examples that how we have to solve it. He said to me, you are lazy. He said to me, you are lazy. Now I told you that said to is changed into told. He told me. Now second step is that we have to remove this comma, inverted comma, and we will put here a conjunction that. Now this you of reported speech is of second person pronoun. So this second person pronoun will change according to object of reporting verb. And object here is first person pronoun. So this one is object. So how we will convert it into subject? It will become I. Me is objective case and its subjective case will be I, and is and are will change into was verb. So here we have to use was lazy. I was lazy. So this sentence is indirect speech. And I hope now it is clear to all of you that what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Thank you.